Hello guys, welcome to Geek. Today we are going to learn 17 MS-DOS amazing secrets and commands which are working for all Windows versions. Guys, if you did not still subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel for more learning and tutorials. So first of all, you need to open command line interface as an administrator. For this purpose, search cmd command line interface command prompt. Open file location, create shortcut on desktop. This is our command line interface. To open as administrator, go into properties, then advanced. Always run as administrator, check it and OK. Now open command line interface. This is yes for administrator. Or you can open with run dialog box window or then cmd. This is our DOS. The second command is dir. You can check the all directories folder in this. Now in this directory Geeks. Now these are the all folders which contained by Geeks. The next is tree. Now the next command is tree. To see the whole tree of all parents and child folders like C contents, desktop contains Fiverr projects, lab solutions in Fiverr projects, and this is the whole tree of your directory Geeks. CLS for clear screen. Then you can go into any specific directory, just type cd, change directory, cd, then press space, then tab. This will show the complete directories. Tab, you need to press the tabs. Now all directories have been accessing. You can simply type directory or press tab. First we will show directories. Now these are the directories. Suppose we want to go into desktop, then cd desktop. Now this is desktop. You can put the name of that specific folder and jump into that folder. That is the fourth command. Cd double dot. To go outside, to exit the directory, you need to press cd double dot. Like in DOS, cd double dot. This will exit the desktop directory. Then again cd double dot. Then you are out of Geek directory. To go into any directory like Geek, sorry for mistyping. Now cd desktop. Double dot. Sixth command is cd backslash. Look the reaction of cd backslash. This will jump outside all directories and go into your local drive C. Suppose if I am in D, just close it and reopen my DOS. If you want to go outside of System32 directory, then Windows and jump directly into C, or there are multiple folders. You can exit in single command with single command, that is cd backslash. This is C. To change the local drive, you need to press the next drive which you want to go into, D double colon, then you are in D. Check directories here. There are multiple directories like docs, cd, docs. Cd tab to check the directories. I have already told you. Suppose again we are going to C, cd and then tab. This will check the all directories which you have in that specific folder or local drive. Now I am in user directory. Furthermore, you can check all your previous commands by arrow keys. Arrow up for previous commands, down for again lower commands. In this way you have no need to type again. Drive path to change the drive, local drive like E. Now I am E in E, G, F. Let's check it out. Now I am F in F local drive. Just check the directories. There is no directory, no folder. Task list. The ninth command is task list. Have reaction of task list. All active tasks of your Windows and applications are here. Image name, the task name, session name, the specific sessions, session count or number, and then the main usage of your CPU and memory. Now these are all tasks which are currently processing in my system. The next is tree. We have the next command, tree. Like again into C, tree path. Again we have all parents and subfolders with tree command. Hide folder and unhide folder. Guys, this is very amazing and very beautiful trick. Even you cannot access the hidden folder if you have shown all hidden folders. Like I have test folder, I will hide and check in to show hide files. First of all, clear the screen. Now to hide this specific folder named test, first of all you need to open it. This is open. Copy its path. Paths have been copied. Then type here this specific command plus H space plus S. Then paste the exact copied path, right click or Ctrl V, then press. Now check the specific folder, then press enter. The folder have been disappeared. Now we will check in hidden files, desktop, properties, showing hidden files and folder. Okay. If you have simply hide by properties, you can check it out here, the test folder. But with the DOS command, you will not see here the test folder. To unhide, we just again up key, then the previous command for hide. Now simply go into plus sign, delete it, and type here minus instead of plus. Enter. This will unhide your, this is test folder. In this way you can hide or unhide folder very quickly, and you cannot see furthermore your hidden folder. To hide, just plus H and S parameter. To unhide, minus H and S parameter with file or folder path. Next 13 command is WMIC. To directly communicate with system and get information from the system about the system, this is very useful. For WMIC, I am in root mode. You can query directly from the system like computer system, get name of the system. This is name desktop, name system type. You can specify system type. Again, let's check it out. Now name and system type is, this is a name, this is x64, this is 64-bit system. I can have another name and get model of my system. This is a model. You can check your model. Version of my system. This is name and version. Little bit invalid query. Manufacturer of the system. This is a manufacturer, Lenovo. My system belongs to Lenovo company. In this way you can directly query with the system. The next is driver query. You can check all the drivers which are installed in your system driver or third-party applications driver. Like you will have driver query. This is a command. Now these are all drivers for your system. Guys, DOS is very powerful and administrative operating system. You can directly interact with system with DOS. You must be careful and you must be expert with this command line interface. Next is IP config. To check the IP of your system and other gateway information regarding networks, IP config /all. I must type here all for your learning, then enter. Now these are the complete detail of my networks and IP configurations, Ethernet LAN adapters, MACs and IP, Wi-Fi LANs adapters and MAC addresses of my Wi-Fi. Then other wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi setting and options, Ethernet Bluetooth device drivers and settings. In this way you can check all the IP and devices, max and detail of your system. The next option is 16th option is color. If you are tired to see this black screen and you want to change the color, simply go into properties, right click properties. This is screen background color. Let's suppose I want to change it into light mode. Then you need to change the screen text color in some sort of dark colors. Now your screen has been completely changed. The next command is detail of command. If you want to see the detail of command, simply you need to press the complete, type here backslash and then question mark dir backslash then question mark. This will open the complete detail, the list of directories command with its paths and parameters. In this way you can check like all these are parameters and different options for your commands. These are called attributes also. Suppose I want to check the help about format command. Format. Now this is a format command, powerful command for formatting any drive or folder. This is volume. These are the parameter for quick format. In this way you can check the detail of any command like drive path. This is a drive path command. Detail of this specific command, you need to press space and backslash. Now this is a complete detail. CD to know about chain disk. These are the complete detail and with parameters and attributes you have here. Moreover, DOS is single user and single processing operating system. In this system you can run only one command at a time, and after processing you can, after completion of that command processing, you can run another command. Sometimes your operating system stuck into any command, you cannot quit or you cannot go into any other command. For this purpose you need to press Ctrl C. Like I want to start any process like scan disk, sf cns sfc scan. Now this will scan my whole system for any error or bug. Now this is a long time taking process, and if you want to quit, you want to interrupt this process, you just need to press Ctrl C. This will scan my whole system for error check and erase. Now the system is in busy state for scanning. I need to restart because scanning does not have been started. Again for scanning. Now the system has been halted. You need to press Ctrl C. The Ctrl C will interrupt that specific process and go again into command line mode. In this way you can interrupt the task without quitting or exiting. Thanks guys for watching and learning.